Hello everyone and welcome back to I think either the 5th or 6th tutorial episode of Java. So in this lesson we are going to be implementing what we've learned in the past lessons all into one tutorial. And so we're going to make a custom program called age. Well, it's going to be called tutorial, but the purpose of this is we're going to have to guess the age that the computer has just randomly generated. So let's get started. So let's get the hardest bit out of the way. So let's start with int age, and let's call the math capital M, meaning it's a class. I'm going to say dot, and the math class is going to get the random method. And it's important that you add a int at the front of it, and then put a parentheses, and put a parentheses in here. And then times, let's say 101. So it can generate a list from 0 to 100. And it can't generate 100 because the value for the random method doesn't go up to 1. So that's why we add 101. So if we are going to print that out to the system now, as you can see, it will just generate a random number each time. So we got that out of the way. So what else do we want? Well, we want the scanner class. And it's up here, but I'm just gonna, actually I won't. So it's import java.util.scanner. And to call it, we're gonna say scanner sc, so we're gonna instantiate, and then we're gonna initialize. So new scanner system dot in. So now we can have user input based into this, and we're going to get another variable called int guessed age, and we're going to set that to -1. And we're going to say we're going to have a certain number of, actually we won't do that yet. So now let's get started. So we're going to say type in while age is not equal to guessed age. It's just going to keep on running with this, and we're going to say we're going to say system.out.println. We're going to say how old am I? And let me just fix that. There we go. So it prints out in one line. And we're going to say guessed age is equal to sc.nextInt. And now we're going to say if age is greater than, we're going to say if guessed age is greater than age, then we're going to say system.out.println, and we're going to say lower. Else, if guessed age is lower than age, I'm going to say system.out.println, and we're going to say higher. And then once we're done with that, we're going to say here, and we're going to say system.out.println, and we're going to say correct. I am whatever the age was given to me. So let's go ahead and run this now. So how old am I? Well, let's start. Let's say 50. Higher. 75. Higher. What about 80? Higher. 90. Lower. 85. Higher. 88. Correct. I am 88. And as you can see, the process is now finished. So thank you guys for watching this short little tutorial where we implemented all the features that we had learned. As a little assignment, I would like you to make it so that you only have a certain number of tries until the game is over. So with that said and done, thank you guys for watching, and with the next tutorial we're going to be learning about methods. So thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video.